Keep your kitchen spotless with Scotch-Brite Hex Series scour pads and sponges. These pads and sponges feature proprietary power dots on one side that are engineered to quickly and effectively power through tough messes. Plus, the pad's hex shape supplies a comfortable hold and extra corners to clean up hard-to-reach areas. All Hex products are also HACCP-certified as food safe. For the 3000 Hex, the sponge side carries soap and water for wiping down surfaces. Additionally, the sponge side of the low-scratch scour sponge is a great option for countertops. This sponge side also resists odor-causing bacteria. For aluminum cookware, use the 96 Hex. This pad tackles burnt and baked-on food buildup 5 times faster than medium-duty scouring pads. For more delicate cooking surfaces, like stainless steel pots and pans, the low-scratch scour pad 2000 Hex is perfect. It can remove caked-on messes with its power dots or fine food soil with its dark blue side. Don't work harder, work smarter with 3M Scotch-Brite Hex Series scour pads and sponges.